Okay, Rhys, now we've been meeting up with other people for one-to-ones, and you've requested a one-to-one. Would you like to do anything in particular?
Well, what happened, I had this brainwave because you have these, like, I'm really good at taking it in hourly, right? So people say it, I can take it in, and I just need to get it in there and retain it. Because we're so compressed, this course is so compressed, things have gone over very quickly, very quickly, very quickly. So I had this idea that I would record the Welsh words and the English words next to each other. I listen to them back, goes into the brain. I've got a little bit more time when I've got downtime. Yeah. Actually, I thought I'd listen to it when I'm asleep, but I don't think that's going to work, is it?
Probably not, no.
No, but when I'm running or when I'm just walking around the camp, you know, I mean, and it'll all go in, and it gives me more time to do it.
Right, okay.
But yeah, the others went out and they did the shopping the other day, and so I thought if we could take some of the dialogue from that, record it, we'd just pick some stuff. Right. But being dyslexic, it's not easy for me to pick it up and actually read it, even though you might, I know the alphabet is different, but just going through it and reading it isn't, it's more helpful to actually hear it.
Let's go through some of the basics here. Some things come up, you can basically go in and buy a bottle of beer, packet of aspirins, postcard, whatever, and you're more or less using the same kinds of language. So it's almost like having a formula and dropping in whatever you want to buy into that formula. So let's concentrate on the things that you would say. Right. You're going to use copy or is the copy of Western Mail. Now this is an important one. Os gwelwch yn dda. Os gwelwch yn dda. That means please. It's a big word for please, because we're very big on please in Wales. Okay, so os.
Os gwelwch yn dda. Yeah. That's probably one of the two words that I'm au fait with. Okay.
Then we've got the dau baint o laeth skim.
Right, yes. Dau baint o laeth skim. Laeth is milk, yeah? That's my other word.
Yeah. A packet of aspirin.
A packet of aspirin.
So the o is the of, packet of aspirin. So you copy o, dau baint o, and packet o.
If I can record that.
Yeah.
And then, you know, that's fantastic for me, because then I can just have it and I can listen to it back in the
You can go running around, just saying faint sy arno, faint sy arno, faint sy arno, faint sy arno. Yeah, okay, and the people will be, sort of, but yeah.